One of our satisfied customers just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share why they were so happy with us. We love telling everybody about it because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. And here's the exact 5-star review that one of our customers left online about their experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star customer services to each and every client. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a great confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is important in gaining your initial and repeat business, and we will work very hard to earn both. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.